Are high-ticket sales jobs the new approach to six figures on the side? Tired of feeling like you are gouging clients with your high-ticket program? If you are working at any of the popular high-ticket income models like coaching, telephone selling, digital or marketing agencies, social media sales, you are usually doing all of the work yourself, which does not give you leverage. You are trading time for money. If you don't work to generate appointments, you don't make sales. If you don't make sales, you don't earn money. You spend most of your day on the phone, chasing prospects, listening to their excuses, getting countersold. And when you do get a client, A, they don't work the leads efficiently and blame you. B, they squirm out of your agreement and ask for a refund because of some family emergency. This is after all of the time you have invested. What you are doing is no better than a job. Actually, it's much worse. Because you waste time alternating between marketer, sales rep, and complaint handler. In this scenario, it's impossible to scale your business and experience growth and real profit. There are three main parts to any business. 1. Lead generation, sales. 2. Operations, client fulfillment. 3. Maintenance, keeping them happy. Each time you are consumed with one component of your business, sales, operations, or maintenance, the other two suffer. This also turns your business into drudgery, and you begin to hate it. It's the formula for burnout. The solution? Readers are the key to creating your six-figure side income. You need a predictable process for converting readers into subscribers. And the added benefit that we offer you is being able to do it on autopilot without needing to book a call. You need the system that runs 24 hours 7 days a week without you needing to be there. You want lead generation, client acquisition, client fulfillment, which equals income creation and a true freedom lifestyle. You can't scale until you get a handle on these functions. The solution is letting the system, technology, deliver consistent predictable sales. This transforms your business into a turnkey system that converts leads into opt-ins, opt-ins into sales, readers into paying subscribers. Predictably like clockwork. And because the price point for your offer is modest, $9 to $50 a month, your refund rate is incredibly low. And a few subscribers dropping off won't matter because your system is constantly replacing them. That's how a system works. Even at 1,000 subscribers, this is a six-figure side business that will liberate you from a job and boss that you hate. Remember this important benefit. You earn this six-figure income without paid ads, YouTube, being on camera, coaching, blogging, telephone, selling cold or warm emailing, physical products, webinars, live streams, supply chain issues, and in complete privacy. Plus, you earn a high-ticket income without gouging clients, which makes it easier to look yourself in the mirror and sleep at night. Go to paidletter.com.